So the situation with the cherries is that when the cherries get wet right before harvest, they're susceptible to damage from water soaking in through the skins and causing the cherry to expand and split. And this is most likely to happen in an area called the stem bowl, which is where the stem goes into the cherry. If you've seen a cherry, you know there's a little dimple there where the stem goes in. That's called the stem bowl. And water accumulates in there because right now I'm doing 2 rows at the same time. On either side of the rows, I can fly really low. And so what we do with the helicopters is we fly low over the trees, and the downwash shakes up the branches. And when it shakes up the branches, it causes the fruit to fling around. And when the fruit flings around, the water comes out of the stem bowls. And depending on how wet they are, you dry different ways. Or dry multiple times, depending on what you're doing. This guy wants me to dry once very thoroughly, so I'm going slow. And trees are pretty wet. And if you get the water off the cherry enough, then Mother Nature will do the rest, you know, dry them off, and the cherries will be fine. And if you don't, then the cherries will likely split. They'll split or they'll get mold. Usually splits is the problem. Mildew is another thing. But they have other ways to control that kind of stuff.